Hello, Miraj, can you hear me? Mridula, please unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
All right, so all three of you, please unmute your mic. Yes, Mridula and Hamna, please unmute your mic. Please, Mridula, you also. Yes, if you can hear me, please unmute your mic. I want all of you to keep your mic unmute during the class so that we can talk to each other. The class will be more interactive and fun for you as well, right? Okay, I don't know if she is able to hear me or not. She has sent me one message. Let me check. Ma'am, I'm not able to unmute. All right, Medula, but please try to unmute because I want to ask questions also during the class. Anyway, in the last class, tell me what we did. Miraj, you tell me what we did in the last class.
Ma'am, lines and angles.
So, which topics we covered? Just a brief summary. Give me a brief summary. And I also want to see your notebooks where you are writing down. Please note down everything which I am teaching you. I'll ask you to open your videos and show me the notebook one day, or might be in the next class. I'll ask you. Oh, okay. I'm asking the host, Mridula.
Ma'am, you were teaching angles.
Okay, just wait, just a minute. All right. So let's start today. First of all, keep saying yes, ma'am. Okay, so that I can know you are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I want you to revise, first of all, what is the linear pair axiom? Anybody remember? We did this in the last class. Yes, Hamna, tell me, what was it?
Ma'am, the linear pair is the two adjacent angle have the sum 180. That is the linear pair axiom.
Axiom, yes. Now, Mridula, okay. All right. See, axiom, first of all, what is axiom? Tell me. Miraj, tell me, I told you what is an axiom. See, axiom is something which is universally true, which we do not have to prove. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So linear pair, yes, okay. So linear pair axiom. Now look here carefully. One is linear pair axiom, another is converse of that. So first thing is, if you have a line, okay, it's given that AB is a line. So what is given to you? That AB is line. So that means if you have two angles on line A and B, like X and Y, then this implies that X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Okay. This is one statement. Another is if it is given to you that X plus Y is equal to 180 degree, it is already given to you. Then this implies that AB is a line. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is one statement. This is a converse of this statement. So both are called linear pair axiom. So in one question, if it is given to you that AB is a line, this means that angle X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. You can write that. Okay. Now in another question, if it is already given to you that X plus Y is equal to 180 degree, so this implies that AB is a line. Is that okay? So
Yes,
will you
ma'am.
remember? Please note it down in your copy. Now in this case, it is given that X plus Y is already 180 degrees. So it implies that AB is a line. Now here it is given that AB is a line. So this implies that X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. This is called linear pair axiom. This is very important. Please always remember this thing. Written?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm moving to the example number 3. So in the last class, we did 2 examples. All right. Now let's move to example number 3. Okay, I'm just changing the page. Just say yes or no quickly.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Done.
Okay.
I'm done.
All right. So let's move to example number 3. This is your book. Okay, I've taken the picture from your book. So in this question, it is already given to you that now look at the figure, all of you. So it is given that OP, OQ, OR, and OS are 4 rays that you can see. Now you have to prove that angle POQ, that means this angle POQ, this one, plus angle QOR, that means this angle, plus angle SOR, that means this angle, plus angle POS, that means this angle. So all the 4 angles, when they combine, they form a complete angle 360 degrees. So what you have to prove? Okay, now all of you write it down. So you have to prove angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR plus angle POS is equal to 360 degree. Now this you have to prove. All right. Okay, so let's prove. This is not tough, it's easy. So first of all, what you have to do is you extend this line OQ backward. Okay, let me name it T, this point T. So you write extend ray OQ backwards. So wherever you have problem, please tell me, I'll repeat that. Okay. Now, see here, all of you, I'll give you time to write. Please see first of all. Now, TOQ is a line, right? So if it is given to you that TOQ is a line, now use the linear pair axiom. So that means if TOQ is a line, that means this angle POQ plus angle TOP is equal to 180 degree, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
now I have told you that if it is given that it is already a line, that means angle TOP plus angle POQ is equal to 180 degree. Okay, this is linear pair we have used. Let this be equation number 1. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now again TOQ is a line, same line. Now we will look here downside angles. So angle TOS, this means angle TOS plus angle SOR plus angle ROQ. Or you do it right. Wait. You will get confused. Let me just write it like this first of all. So angle TOS plus angle, SOQ is equal to 180 degree. Is that okay? Same thing, linear pair. Equation number 2. So far, any problem?
No, ma'am.
No.
No. Okay. Now you look at this angle SOQ. Look in the figure SOQ. So SOQ is equal to this angle 1 plus angle 2, right? Right? This whole angle. So we can write it like this, angle TOS plus. So in place of SOQ, I'm writing angle SOR plus angle QOR. Is that okay?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now this become your equation number 3. Okay. Now what you have to do is simply add your equation 1 and 3. So add equation 1 and 3. So what will you get? Okay. Now just add them. So you get angle TOP plus angle POQ plus, so I'm writing all the left hand side angles, TOS plus angle SOR plus angle QOR. So on the right side, you have 180 plus 180. So is this okay? I've simply added equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now look here, this angle TOP and plus angle TOS. Look in the figure again. Yes. Look here. angle TOP, you mean this angle, this one, and TOS, this one. So this forms the complete angle, right? This one, POS.
Yes, ma'am.
So I can add these two angles together and I can write angle POS and all the remaining angles. Right, exactly. POQ plus angle SOR plus angle QOR, and on the right hand side you get 360 degrees. So this is what you have to prove. So this question is done. Okay, now quickly write it down. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm changing the page. Now let's come to question number 1 of the exercise. Okay,
Ma'am, we have done the first question.
you have done the first question. So everybody
Ma'am,
has done?
Ma'am, in the previous class we have done.
First question you have done. Okay. All right. So Miraj, tell me, in this question, find angle BOE. So what is the value of angle BOE? If you have already done it, tell me. Yes, Miraj? Okay, let's repeat it very quickly. Now in this question, first of all, write what is given to you. So if angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degrees, so I'm just naming it. AOC means angle 1 and BOE means angle 2 to make it simple. So it is given that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 70 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And also it is given that angle BOD, let it this angle 4. So angle 4 is given to you 40 degree. Now you have to find angle BOE. Yani, that means to find what you have to find, first of all, angle 2 you need to find, and also you need to find a reflex angle COE. All right. Okay, now let's find solution. Now look here, angle 1 is equal to angle 4, right? Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Hamna, tell me why.
Ma'am, because of the vertically opposite angle.
Exactly. They are vertically opposite angles. This you already know. So therefore, now angle 4 is 40 degree. So therefore, angle 1 is equal to 40 degree, right? So this is one thing you have found out. Now it is given to you. What is given? Sorry. It is given that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. This is given. All right. So now angle 1 is 40 plus angle 2. This is 70 degree. So what is the value of angle 2? This is 70 minus 40. So therefore angle 2 is equal to how much?
30.
30 degrees. So this first thing you have got. So you have to find angle 2. So this you have done. Angle 2 is 30 degree. Now you have to find reflex angle COE. Now for that, what is reflex angle COE? This is the angle COE. All right, this is angle COE. So that means 360 degree minus this angle. Let this be angle X, right? So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
means first of all, you need all the other angles. So you already know what is angle 1. You already know what is angle 2. You already know what is angle 4. So you need the value of this angle. Let this be angle 5. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Or you can do it like this also. Okay, you don't need angle 5 here. Forget it. Use the property here. If AB is line, this is already given to you in the figure, right? See here, lines AB. This is already a line. So that means what? You can use linear pair axiom. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So therefore, angle 1 plus angle X plus angle 2 will be equal to 180 degree. All right?
Yes.
Yes, Miraj?
Yes.
Okay. So if it is already given to you that AB is a line, then you can use linear pair axiom. This is linear pair. Now already you know the value of angle 1. You already know the value of angle 2. So put them here. So 40 degree plus angle X plus 30 degree. This is equal to 180 degree, right? So you have 70 degree plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. So that means angle X is equal to 180 degree. You take this 70 there. So what is the value of angle X, Mridula?
Ma'am, 110 degree.
110 degree, right? So what you have to find in the question, reflex angle COE. So reflex angle COE. That means, now look at the figure again. Reflex angle COE means you need to find this angle, this complete angle. Yes? So can I
Yes,
write
ma'am.
it like this, 360 degree minus angle X? Is
Yes,
that
ma'am.
okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So, okay, write it here. So this means complete angle minus angle X. So complete angle is how much? 360 degree minus angle X. You have just calculated 110 degree. So this came out to be how much? Hamna, tell me. 150 degree. Subtract it. Okay. So you
Ma'am,
have
250 degree.
250.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Uh,
ma'am. 250.
oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Really? Is it 250? 6 minus
Yes,
1, 5. Okay, sorry. So you have found the reflex angle to be 250 degree. Okay. Done. Let's move to the next question. So have you written?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Just write it down. Just ask me to shift the screen. I'll rotate, shift it, scroll it. Please always draw the figure first of all and put the numbers exactly as I'm putting. Otherwise you will get confused which is angle 2, which is angle 4. So draw the figure exactly like how I am drawing it. You already did it in the last class. You told me.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, I'm scrolling it down. Please write it. Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
all
ma'am.
of Miraj, please speed up. All right, I'm going to the next question now.
Done.
Okay, done?
Yeah.
Come to question number 2, all of you. Now, first of all, look at the figure. So it is given that XY and MN are two lines. They intersect at O. So it is already given to you. What is given? That angle POY is equal to 90 degree. All right. And the second thing which is given to you is A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. So AB means angle A, angle B. So they have just removed the angle sign, simply written AB. So this much is given to you. Now what you have to find? Find C. So you have to find angle C, right? Okay. Now solution. Now when something is given to you in ratio, all of you please remember, when something is given to you in ratio, so how you have to proceed, look here carefully. So first of all, write, let the common ratio of a, okay, I'm putting angles here, otherwise we'll get confused, of angle A and angle B is x, is x. So always suppose the common ratio to be x. So angle A will become, because it is 2 is to 3, so angle A will become 2x and angle B will become 3x. Is it okay till now?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have already
Yes.
done the chapter ratio and proportion in your previous classes. Okay. So, okay, now we know what is angle A, now we know what is angle B. Now look here, XY is a line. So which axiom I can use here? Yes, Miraj, when I'm saying that XY is a line, that means which axiom I can use here?
Ma'am, linear pair.
Exactly, linear pair axiom. So whenever it is given to you that something is a line, that means you have to use linear pair axiom now. So if XY is a line, so that means like this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. So I can write angle XOP plus angle POY is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is angle XOP? This is angle B plus angle A, right? Plus angle POY is already given 90 degree. This is equal to 180 degree. Okay.
Yes.
So now angle B is 3x and angle A is 2x. So this 90 will go that side, 180 minus 90. So you get 5x is equal to how much? 90. So x is equal to 90 divided by 5. So this implies x is equal to how much you get?
Ma'am, 12 degree.
12, 90 by 5,
Ma'am, 18 degree.
18 degree. So you got what is the value of x, all right? Okay, write this much first of all. Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
You can write it completely, linear pair. I'm writing in short. In case you don't remember, please write it fully, linear pair. Okay, Miraj done?
Yes, ma'am.
Miritula done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so angle X is 80 degree. So what is angle A is 2x, angle B is 3x. So just find first of all what is angle A. This is 2 into 18 degree. So how much? Angle A is equal to how much? Quickly tell me. 36 degree, okay? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
angle B is 3x. So that means 3 into 18. So angle B is how much? 54 degree. So you know the value of angle A and angle B now. So what you have to find? Angle C. Okay, written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now again, look at the figure carefully, all of you, all three of you. I'll give you time to write. See, again, you have to find what is angle C. So that means you can use this line MN, because in this you already know what is angle B and this one is remaining angle C. All right. So if you already know that MN is a line, again, you can use the linear pair axiom.
Yes, ma'am.
So if MN is a line, so that means your angle B plus your angle C is equal to 180 degree. Simple linear pair. Okay, and you have just found out what is the value of angle B. So Miraj, tell me how much is angle C. Quickly tell me. Put the value of angle B here. So angle B is 54 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C will become 180 degree minus 54 degree. Miraj, tell me the answer. How much is 180 minus 54?
156.
156.
No.
Tell me correct answer. How much time will you take? See, 180 minus 54. Do it like this, like you used to do in your junior classes. So 10 minus 4 is 6, right?
Ma'am,
So you're left with
126.
7. Yes. So 7 minus 5 is 2. So you get 126. So 126 degree angle C. So you have found out what is angle C. This you were supposed to found in the question. Write down quickly and tell me. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's move to the next question then. Please let me know when you are done. At least say, ma'am, done, so that I can move to the next question. Okay. Now look at this question. So it is given that angle PQR. Draw the figure in your copy. So angle PQR, that means PQR. Okay, let this be angle 1, let this be angle 2. Is equal to angle PRQ. Okay, so it is given. What is given? That angle 1 is equal to angle 2, right?
Yes.
Okay, now you have to prove that angle PQS, okay, this be angle 3 is equal to angle PRT, this one. So just to make it simple, I am naming it like this. So you have to prove that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So this you have to prove. Okay, let's start the proof. Okay, now look here. Okay, I can write angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree because they lie on a line. So which property? Why don't you
Ma'am,
people speak up? Linear pair. Yes, linear pair. Okay, let this be my equation number 1. Again, angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Which property?
ma'am, linear pair.
Linear pair. Okay, let this be equation number 2. Simple.
Yes.
Now, RHS of both is same, 180 degree, 180 degree. So we write RHS, right hand side is same. So therefore, we equate the left hand side of both the equations. So angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. See, it is given to you. So in place of angle 2, I can write angle 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I can write it like angle 1 plus angle 4. Okay, so on the left hand side I'm having this. Now you have angle 1 on both the sides, so they will cancel out each other.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So why I'm cancelling it? Miraj, tell me. Because if I
Because it's common.
yeah, it's common. So if I take this on that side, it will become minus. So angle 1 minus angle 1 will become 0. So I'm just directly cutting it down here. So you are left with angle 3 is equal to angle 4. This is what you are supposed to prove. And therefore you can give it names again. So angle 3 is your angle PQS. So write it like this as asked in the question. PRT. So this is proved. Done?
No.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Okay, Miraj, done?
Yes.
Okay. Mridula?
Done, ma'am.
All right, let's move to the next question. So am I too fast? Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
okay.
Okay, please let me know whenever you face any kind of issue, just let me know. Feel free to talk to me. All right, now in this question, it is given to you that now these x, y, w, z are angles, okay? So x plus y, first of all, write down what is given. So this makes your question a bit simple. So it is given that x plus y is equal to w plus z. This is given. Then prove that AOB is a line. Okay, AOB is a line. So what you have to do here? Okay, which axiom you will use? Tell me, Miraj, you tell me. To prove that AOB is a line, which axiom you can use? See, we are linear pair. That is the only axiom we are using in this exercise, isn't it, Miraj?
Yes.
So I'm just telling you from the beginning that okay, listen to me very carefully again. Look here. If you have a line, please, it's a revision again, and there is a ray on it. Okay. Now this is your angle 1, this is your angle 2. If it is given to you that angle 1 plus angle 2, okay, forget it. This is AB. If it is given to you that AB is line, okay. So this implies that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. This is linear pair axiom.
Yes.
So it is given that AB is a line. That's why. Now, if it is given that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, this is given to you, but you don't know if AB is a line or not, but this is given to you. So this implies that AB is a line. Okay. So this is converse of linear pair axiom. This much is converse. The same thing you have to do in this question because you don't know. In this question, it is not given that AOB is a line. So that means you have to prove first of all that the sum of two angles is 180 degree. Therefore, AOB is a line. So that way you will do this question. Okay, let's start the proof. All right. Now, all the angles are given to you, x, y, z, w. So you know that x plus y plus w plus w plus z, they form a complete angle, right? 360 degree,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. So if I just put brackets here like this, because it is given to you that x plus y is equal to w plus z. Look here, x plus y is equal to w plus z. So in place of this second x plus w plus z, I'm writing again x plus y. Can I do this? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you get 2x plus 2y is equal to 360 degree. Okay, I can take 2 common. So 2x plus y is equal to 360 degree, right? So x plus y will become 360 degree divided by 2, which is 180 degree. Okay. Now look at angle x, which is this angle, this one, and look at angle y is this one. Okay. Now you have proved that angle x plus angle y is 180 degree. What does it mean? This means
Ma'am, AOB is the line.
AOB is line. Yes. This means x and y. Okay, write it a bit in detail. This means x and y forms a linear pair. Okay, this means forms a linear pair because their sum is 180 degree, and this implies that AOB is line. Right? This is your converse of, or simply write linear pair axiom. Okay, you have proved it. Yeah, please note it down. Okay, done.
No, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So this question was simple enough, right? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
See, you just have to remember the theorems and axioms very carefully. Then you can do any question. That is why I gave you like quite a revision of your class. I started, I think from class 7th, I started the revision of lines and angles, so that you have a good revision of all the concepts. And please always remember what are the axioms in the chapter, what are the theorems in the chapter, because only those statements are going to be used to solve all the questions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now look at this next question. It's a bit okay. Let's do it. Not very tough. So first, write what is given. First step is just to write what is given. POQ is a line. Now this is a very important statement which is given to you. If it is given to you, it's a line. That means you can use the linear pair axiom here, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it is an important thing. It's a line. It's already given. Now ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Okay, this one is perpendicular to PQ. OS is another ray lying between ray OP and OR. Okay, so you have to prove this statement. Okay, to prove that angle ROS is equal to half of your angle QOS minus angle POS. See, it looks a bit confusing, but it's not like it's easy. Just because of all the namings you get, you see it's quite messed up. Okay, so this angle is 90 degree, which is given to you. Yeah, it's also given that angle ROQ is equal to 90 degree. This is also given. Okay, now let's move to the proof. Now, first thing, what is given to you? POQ is a line. Okay. POQ is a line. So that means all the angles which are there in the line, their sum is 180 degree. Linear pair axiom, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that means this angle, I mean this angle plus this 90 degree, they all form a linear pair. So I'm writing angle POS plus angle ROS plus 90 degree. This is equal to 180 degree, right? Or in place of 180 degree, you first write it like this, angle ROQ. Okay, in the next line, you can put the values. So POS plus angle ROS plus angle ROQ is given 90 degree. This is equal to 180 degree. Now you take this 90 on the other side. So you are left with angle POS plus angle ROS, which is equal to 90 degree, right? I've just directly written it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So I've taken this 90 to this side. So 180 minus 90 is 90, right? Okay. Now look in the question. Look in the question. You have to find ROS. You have ROS on the left hand side. So I can keep this ROS on the left hand side and I will take all the other terms on the other side. Okay. So just keep this angle ROS on the left hand side. Now take this angle POS there. So you get 90 degree minus angle POS. Okay.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is equation number 1. Okay. Now, just see here how you have to approach. Now you will get confused which angle to find, from where to start, what to do, right? So first of all, see what you want to find out. So you have one thing, ROS you have already got here, which is there in the question. Now about the RHS, try to see this angle QOS. So you try to use something which include this angle QOS. QOS. Now I can write angle QOS is equal to angle ROS plus angle ROQ. Is this okay, Miraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So I have just written this whole angle as the sum of this angle and this angle. This is all I have done. Now again, you do this, bring this ROS on one side and all the other things on the other side. Okay. So just bring this ROQ here. So you get angle ROS is equal to, so if this ROQ will come to this side, it will become minus. So angle QOS minus angle ROQ. Is that okay?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Any confusion here?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now one angle is already given to you. Which one? ROQ. This you already know, it is 90 degree. So again write ROS is equal to angle QOS minus 90 degree. Right? This is your equation number 2. Now see, you again have angle ROS on the LHS. Look at equation number 1 and equation number 2. So both LHS are angle ROS, angle ROS. So we can equate them. LHS are same. Therefore, their RHS are also same. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you write LHS of equation 1 and 2 are same. So therefore, RHS is also same. Right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
just equate the RHS now. So, okay, what we get? Look at equation number 1. So you have 90 minus angle POS is equal to angle, sorry, QOS minus 90 degree. Okay. Okay, no, do one thing. You don't equate the, okay, let's do it like this. Wait, just let's not write it like this. We simply add equation 1 and 2 to this thing. Because otherwise this will lost, but it is there in the statement which you have to prove. Let me erase it. Just give me a minute. I'll come again to it. Okay, have you written this much? Equation number 1, equation number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Miraj, please speak up. Why don't you speak?
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
have you written this much, all of you?
No, ma'am.
Please say. Please write it down. Then I'll proceed. Please do this much first of all. Yes, Hamna written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Miraj written.
No, ma'am.
Okay, please speed up. Because we have one more question. I have to finish this exercise. And please practice these questions well. They are important questions. They can be asked in your examinations. And I think they're simple. It's not very tough, isn't it?
It is.
You just have to use your presence of mind. That's it. All right. Shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, what mistake I was doing is, look here carefully. I was equating the LHS. But in that case, the problem was that this statement will be lost. But I need this statement in my question, right?
Yes.
Right. Angle ROS is there. So I'll not equate them. What I'll do is I'll add equation 1 and 2. So I'll do one thing. I'll add equation 1 and equation 2 so that this ROS remains there because I need this in my question. Okay, so let's do it. So you just add it. So if you add this, like, okay, look here, you add this equation and you add this equation, these two. So you get 2 angle ROS, right? 90 minus angle POS, then plus angle QOS minus 90. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this 90 minus 90 cancel out. So you are left with 2 angle ROS. So I'm just flipping this one because this is positive, this is negative. So I'm writing the positive one first of all, QOS, and minus 1 later, POS. Simple, I've just flipped it, nothing else. Okay.
Okay.
Now you bring this 2 in the denominator. So angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. And this is what you were supposed to prove. Done. Yes, Mridula, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem to anybody? Tell me very honestly. Are you able to understand what I'm teaching you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please let me know whenever you face any issue. Let's move to question number 6. Done? Okay. Right. Now in this question, the figure is not given to you. You have to draw the figure. So first try to understand the question. Now please stop writing. Look here carefully, all of you. Now it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. So first thing is you make angle XYZ. That's easiest thing to do. So angle, this is X, this is Y, this is Z. Now it is given that this is 64 degree, right? Simple.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Now look here, XY is produced to point P. That means you have to extend this line XY, produce it to some point P, let this point P. Now draw a figure from the given equation. Okay, we have drawn already. Now if ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Okay, what is angle ZYP? This one, ZYP. So ray YQ, that means you have another ray here. There is one ray here which bisect this whole angle. Bisect means this angle is equal to this angle. Bisect means they divide it into equal parts, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I call it angle 1 and if I call it angle 2, so this means your angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is given to you. Now you have to find. So okay, now what is given to you? That angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is given. And already this is also given. One angle 64 degrees also given to you. Now you have to find what you have to find. Angle ZYP. Okay. Angle ZYP. You have to find out. Oh, sorry. You have to find angle XYQ. XYQ is this. Sorry. XYQ. You have to find angle XYQ and also the reflex angle QYP. Okay. First write it this much. What is given and what you have to find. Then we move to the solution. Now this question is simple. Now XP is a line. All right. Now it's simple. Miraj.
Yes.
Okay. So which axiom you are going to use here?
Linear pair.
Linear pair. So XP is a line, therefore all the angles falling on this line, they form a linear pair. So that means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 64 degree is equal to 180 degree. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Linear pair. Now simple. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2, which is given to you. So in place of angle 2, I'm writing angle 1. Or in place of angle 1, I can write anyway, you can write. So angle 1 plus 64 degree is equal to 180 degree, right? So you get twice of angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 64. Take that to the other side. So twice of angle 1 is equal to, how much is 180 minus 64? 116 degree. Now take this 2 in the denominator. So angle 1 is 116 by 2. This is how much? 58 degree. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So therefore angle 2 is also 58 degree because it's given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given. Because you have to find angle XOY. Sorry, XYQ is this. XY. Okay, you have to find this. Okay, now you know what is angle 1, what is angle 2. So let's try to find angle XYQ. Now look at the figure, all of you, very carefully. So you have to find XYQ. I mean, this complete angle you have to find this much. Now this is simple. This is angle X, Y, Z. Okay, this is Y. If you are not able to see, this point is Y. So angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. So angle XYZ is already given to you 64 degree plus angle ZYQ, which is angle 2, which we have just found out, angle 2. So this is your 64 degree plus 58 degree. So how much is it equal to? Miraj, add it and tell me quickly.
122.
122 degrees. So one thing you have done, which you are supposed to found. Now, second thing which you are supposed to found is reflex angle QYP. Now look at the figure again. Which is angle QYP? This is Q, this is Y, this is P. Okay, this is your angle QYP. So if you subtract this angle from complete angle, you will get the reflex of this angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so reflex means you have to subtract that angle from the complete angle. So reflex angle QYP means 360 degree minus angle QYP. Just subtract the same angle from 360 degree. So 360 degree minus angle QYP is, look at the figure again. This is your angle 1. Look
I
here,
have to do 58 degree.
QYP, right? So this is your angle 1, which you have already found out to be 58 degree. So this is 360 minus 58 degrees. So this came out to be 302 degrees. So this is your reflex angle QYP 302 degrees. Have you written, all of you?
Ma'am, can you scroll upward?
Yes, I can. Okay. Please avoid the figure is all messed up now. Please draw the figure exactly and put the angle names exactly. What I'm doing, angle 1, angle 2.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, I'm just scrolling. Please complete this question. Okay, I want to ask you a few things. So, are all three of you in the same school?
No.
No. Okay, so that means you might be having your test and exam at different point of time.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So please let me know a bit about it. Like, when are you having your next test? What is the syllabus for that? So that I can also plan the classes accordingly.
Okay, ma'am.
So Mridula, you tell me first of all, what's going on in your
Um,
school right now? Yeah.
Ma'am, there's the upcoming exam that is only term one, and ma'am, unit tests were held.
Okay, they were done. So term 1, when are you having them?
Ma'am, the date sheet, ma'am, the CBSE has not allotted the date sheet.
Okay, and which chapters are coming?
Ma'am, let me see.
Okay, Hamna, you also see your syllabus. Miraj, you also. Please let me know.
Ma'am, my exams are on 5th December.
Which one? Term 1 exam.
Yes,
Sorry?
yes.
Yes, okay, term 1. Okay, please let me know other syllabus of it also.
Ma'am, the CBS, ma'am, the term one, ma'am, the syllabus for the term one examinations.
Hmm.
The number system, coordinate geometry, linear equation in two variables,
Is it
language,
wait, number system and coordinate geometry and
ma'am, linear equation in two variables,
okay and
ma'am, lines and angles,
okay, then
ma'am, triangles,
triangles, okay,
ma'am, Heron's formula,
Heron's formula, okay, then
ma'am, and statics.
statistics, okay. So how many chapters you have done the number system? Okay, you have done the coordinate geometry, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Lines and angles is going on. Okay, 4 more chapters. Yes, Miraj, what's your status? Please tell me.
Ma'am, the CBSE hasn't uploaded the portion yet.
So is there any information from your school? Which chapters are coming?
Ma'am, the
No.
CBSE has allotted the syllabus.
I think that is going to be the same for everybody, right? You all are
Yes, ma'am.
having the CBSE board school
Ma'am, I have just seen from the CBSE official website.
website. Okay. So Hamna, you too?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm having my exam in 20 November, I guess.
20 November, term 1 examination.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think same number of chapters are coming in your exam also.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so that means we have to hurry up a little bit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. All right, then I'll give you from the next class onwards some questions. Because in these chapters, lines and angles, they require solution of every problem. But in other chapters like coordinate geometry, linear equations, that I can give you in homework also because they have similar kind of questions. But here every question is a bit different, so that is why I'm trying to solve every question for you. So all right, let's see how we can speed up. I'll plan it accordingly from the next class. So can I take some more time if you are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
then
I have to go somewhere.
you have to go. All right, then in the next class, we will try to hurry up a little bit. Let's end the class today then. Please go through all the questions. Please practice them well. And always use a pen and paper to practice. Just don't see, okay, I can do it, I can do it. It's not like that. Please use your pen, use your copy. Try to solve the question yourself. Then only